Got a big line of fucking bikers and they're in the middle of the fucking road. Once I get a shot, I'm gonna external wastegate these motherfuckers. Alright, so we out here. You guys may know this car, you may not. He's a big guy on YouTube and Instagram, Alexander Vargas. So we're here, we're gonna do some videos together. I brought the drone, hopefully it works this time. Last time it didn't work. And actually, compared to like the 103-degree heat we have, it's like a 60 below, misty and foggy. So weather needs to make up its mind, but when he gets back, I'll introduce you guys, talk about his car a bit maybe, and then do some cinematics. All right, this is Alex, guys, right there. We're gonna throw the drone up, get some cinematic shots, and we'll talk later. So, cue cinematic shots now.
You got this shit knocking low.
All right, so we got Alex here. He's gonna talk to us about his car now. So since the hood's popped, let's talk about your motor because you just recently built it.
Correct. So at school, probably about roughly a year ago, I did a full build on this. The case itself is actually just stock pretty much. I went up to a 9975 bore, and then the rotating assembly is forged. It's CP pistons or dyno-1 compression. I did man lead rods, and then the STI forged crankshaft. The heads also are the GSC. I did the 268s. I did the springs, retainers as well. I did all the headwork too. And then we got the IAG TGV deletes. They're actually stock fuel rails with the 1050 injectors. I did a little bit of the headwork, did a little bit of porting. We got the Cobb fuel pressure sensor, front mount intercooler, 20G turbo, 3-inch downpipe, full exhaust EQ 300. And then I think that's pretty much it.
Did you upgrade your pitch stop, or is that?
No, stock pitch stop.
You should upgrade that.
I know. It does make a huge difference.
It made a big difference, yeah.
I'm gonna order it right now. I'll go right now on the vlog. No, because everyone always says it does. What do you think it really does? Just makes it
more stiff, and then just coming off from a stop, shifting, stuff like that helps keep everything in place.
I'm doing it. Okay,
I think
perfect.
It's been so long, but I think from like a dead stop, I did realize an initial like difference from like a dead stop.
A lot of people have been saying there's a huge difference,
yeah.
so I think I'm gonna do it.
I mean, that one's so tiny, and then this one is, look how much thicker that is.
I was looking at that. Jesus Christ. Okay, new mod to the list.
Yeah.
I added
and
on.
It's the $100, so.
Yeah, it's not terrible. I think that's pretty much it. I have pretty much all the supporting mods that comes with that Got the IAG AOS, and then obviously Cobb SF intake. We got the Perrin 3-inch inlet.
And you were tuned by Travis, right?
Tuned by Travis. It did about 390 wheel on 91 octane. I'm definitely gonna go 85 pretty soon, and I think it was like 370 torque. But I think that's pretty much it. Of course, I'm not super track oriented like Cali. I definitely do some spirited driving. If you can't already tell, my car's on air suspension. It's the Airlift 3P. I'm a huge fan of it. I definitely like the way my car looks. I just enjoy it how it is. I did a lot of Xeta mods. Obviously, like side skirt extensions,
big wing,
Carlson flares. I just got this Voltex wing. I just finished this too. You saw it before. It was so bad before. It was all oxidized. I picked it up
just
yesterday.
watched your vlog.
So
you posted like 2 days ago.
Yep. So got that all good to go. This was originally on the STI, so I had to take it off. WRX game for life. Just small things here and there. I think that's pretty much it. It's wrapped Avery gloss dark gray. The interior as well. I did a couple things. Not crazy, but just try to keep it simple. I got the STI shift knob, even though I don't have an STI 6-speed. Don't make fun of me. We got the Brahms seats. Obviously all my gauges as well. We got air, fuel, I believe oil pressure.
We'll get some glamour shots of those.
I don't even know my other one is, honestly. We got air, fuel, oil pressure, and then boost. And then this is the nice little custom things. Obviously the airlift controller right there.
So you got the Mikey he had, the shifter bezel.
I'm obsessed.
With Mikey?
No, I'm obsessed with Mikey, and I'm obsessed with that. I think it looks so clean. I just go for the simple clean.
Brembos, of course, very nice.
Oh yeah, we got the Brembos up front. I don't have the Brembos in the rear yet. And then they're sitting on, everyone always asks what the wheels are. They're not RPF ones. They're AME TM02. Which is actually a collaboration between AME, which is a company in Japan, and Enkei, so that's why it kind of looks like RPF ones. And then it's 285/30, I think so, 285/30/18 tires.
Damn, wad boy.
Wad boys. But I think that's pretty much it. Pretty simple build.
Yeah, so I think we'll do a cruise soon, and we'll definitely give Alex a little feeler of what this car's like, because he said his goal, he wants like 450, 450.
That's like exactly what I want.
Yeah, we'll make it happen, and
it's gonna be good.
Yeah, should be a fun rest of the day. Give you a little tease. start to get a little loose or squirrely, like it
like finds itself really fast.
It doesn't. There's no like feeling of oh shit.
No.
Like because when I was in Laguna, it was actually raining my very first session.
Yeah.
Like I got squirrely, but it was nothing that made me sketched out.
It finds its composure so fast.
Yeah. All right, so we're gonna do a little cruise now. Alex is behind me. We're about to go to Alice's, and we'll see what's good. So let's get a little POV footage for you guys now. Finishing up here with Alex, we're at the final spot in the most interesting weather, from sunny, raining, foggy, misty. Yeah.
Seriously.
So right now our main concern is what are we gonna do, because we gotta go back that way, but we're on two blind corners and a super narrow road.
I'm not doing it, I'm staying here.
He's staying. We'll get some dollies and just spin it out, but yeah. Make sure to check out his channel. Everything and Instagram will be down below. He'll be throwing up a video sometime too, so check that out. But till next time, guys, take care.